Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you'll do anything.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nia and I'm a working mom to a 2-year-old little girl named Riley. And here on my channel, I do a lot of cleaning and organizational videos with a little bit of lifestyle and motherhood mixed in. So I would love to have you stick around by hitting the subscribe button below. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an all-day clean with me. Over the holiday weekend, I had a few extra days off, so it gave me a chance to get some much-needed cleaning done around my house. What did you guys end up doing for the 4th of July? For us, it was pretty low-key and casual, and Riley actually got a chance to play with some sparklers for the first time, so that was always fun. And then on Saturday, we ended up taking her to this splash pad that was only about 15 minutes away from our house, and she had such a ball. So definitely someplace I plan on taking her again this summer.
But this time we could break. I'm running dry. Everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry. Everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
So since we got our floors redone, I was on the hunt for a really nice rug, and after going to probably about 4 different home goods all in one day, I finally found this pretty beautiful one that you could see a little glimpse of. When it comes to home goods, you always have to go to different ones and just constantly keep seeing the new items that they do have, but in the end you can always find some really great pieces that are also affordable.
How I've tried, written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh.
So since redoing Riley's closet, she is forever trying to take her shoes off of the shelf and always picking some type of pretty dress to throw on. It is so adorable. I definitely think I need to start getting her like more of those dress up type of dresses so that she can really just let her imagination go. I know me as a child, that was one of my favorite things to do. I was forever that girl who was playing with Barbies. Let me know down in the comment section if you were a Barbie lover too.
La 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 la, la la
I know I've mentioned these so many times on my channel, but these Mr. Magic erasers are literally the best dollar I have ever spent. There were marks all over the wall, so I just went in and was able to get all of this cleaned off. And then after a while, I couldn't even help myself. I literally just went in on any little mark I saw all over the home, and it just felt so satisfying to see how much stuff this really ended up picking up.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay.
So lately, for some reason, Riley has been refusing to take naps, and this particular day, she got herself so upset that she started throwing up all over her crib while we tried putting her down. So we had to give her a middle of the day quick bath to wash everything up, and then we were finally able to get her down. Do you guys experience the same thing? Does your 2-year-old no longer want to take naps anymore? Let me know if this is something that's normal, because I have no idea where this is coming from.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. Broken heart waiting for you to...
So we had a couple of rainstorms here and there, and as you can see, the pool was a complete mess. So before putting Riley back into this thing, I definitely wanted to give it a good clean. And as you guys could also see, I had a fight trying to get all of that dirty water out, but I was finally able to manage it.
You were making me so sure
later on in the day after lunch and also running some errands, I wanted to tackle the dishes that were in the sink, and then I wanted to finally get around to folding some laundry. While watching Revenge Body, I am so excited for the new season that comes on today actually, because I always like to see and hear people's stories and see the transformations at the end. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys also watch the show.
How I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah.
For more cleaning motivation and videos like this, make sure to subscribe below, and I will see you guys in a few days with another video.
I would say now I keep rambling